Right now we will try to fix the door lock. When I'm locking the door, it's locked, but when I'm unlocking, it doesn't work. We will start with the put down this trim. Okay. Next I put down this strip. And we are uncover the place with the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to unscrew it. We will use the bolt, the X20. Taking out and disconnect this button. Right now when we are release all clips or screws, the button we will taking out and removing the plastic cover here. We'll start from the bottom part. When you are release him, disconnect the speaker. And here disconnect the locker from the door. We see there is the engine, and this is the cable for this. Okay. It looks clean. Connect it. Right now we will releasing this locker. It is a 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. When it is released, that screws which is holding up the actuator or locker, then it is necessary from inside to take out the spring. You have to release, after releasing the screws, you have to release here, you can see it, the spring which is holding the outside handle, which is over there, together to the locker. That means the bottom and upper part of the spring has to be released from the locker. Okay, when you are releasing that handle, stay the locker for you, but free, but you are not able to take him out. Therefore, it is necessary to release this pillar as well. When you're old, it is taken out, and we can start to going inside with the new one. Be same job, just going on the reverse mode. This means first moving this in, second point, connect the back to the actuator. You are connected back part and testing it is working with normal lever. We are putting back all screws because we don't need to go anywhere from this position. Fixing it. Right now we will put back the screws for holding the locker directly on his position. Should be 1, 2, 3. Okay, when it is screwed on a position, we are going to test it. First, connect back the connector, which is good. And right now, we will try to lock the car and unlock the car. Locked. Unlocked. That means lock. Everything working well. We can finish the covering and putting all pieces, all parts together on their own original position. It means first, like this foam, cover all bottom parts. Put on place the locker for the door. Okay. And going back with the side panel. Where it is necessary, as usually, putting back the connectors. Speaker and release handle. For release handle is going back on this position. That means first the upper part and second part. Has to keep it like this. It is everything well. You can see it here. And this is moving. Can I unlock? I can unlock. Okay. Is everything connected? We are putting the panel back on his original position. Starting from the top. Here you can see this is the clip which will be sitting directly here. You don't need to thinking so much about it. Just plug it there, put on position. There should be an punch it. Rest on the same. T20 for matching these screws and screw them back. Same like we are pushing it down, it is in the main line, and after that one upper here. When it is screwed back, everything is holding tight, we are putting back the covers from handle. And so the moment you are have the clicks, and after that the side panel. Okay, and right now we can make the final test. Lock. Unlock. Perfect.